Set includes 7.75-inch and 11-inch fry pans, 1 quart and 2 quart saucepans with lids, a 5.5 quart Dutch oven with lid, a 10.25-inch griddle, and a spoon, ladle, and slotted spatula. Dishwasher safe, easy to clean and dishwasher safe cookware set, non-stick interior and exterior for low-fat cooking and easy cleaning. Use and care, safe for all cooking methods except induction, PFOA, lead, and cadmium free. Wash the frying pan in hot water and washing up liquid to remove any dust. Dry it and rub a little cooking oil into the non-stick coating before using for the first time. Heats evenly, with our thermo spot indicator, know when our T-fal pan is ready for use. Oven safe up to 350 Fahrenheit. Ergonomic heat-resistant handles for a comfortable grip, vented tempered glass lids trap in heat and moisture. T-fal C530SC Signature Non-Stick Expert Thermo Spot Heat Indicator Dishwasher Safe Cookware Set, 12-piece, black. Created with the home chef in mind, T-fal Signature Non-Stick Cookware provides an array of user-friendly features. Its innovative T-fal Thermo Spot Heat Indicator makes it easy to properly preheat pans, which helps seal in the flavor of food, whether sautéing or searing. When the pattern in the center turns to a solid red spot, the pan is hot and ready to cook. The cookware's heavy-gauge aluminum construction heats quickly and offers long-lasting strength, while its even heat base distributes heat throughout for reliable cooking results. Use the cookware on any cooktop, except for induction. Recyclable and PFOA, lead, and cadmium-free, the cookware's durable non-stick surfaces, inside and out, offer effortless food release, little to no fat needed, quick and easy cleaning, and a healthier choice when it comes to cookware. The cookware's vented tempered glass lids trap in heat and moisture, while its ergonomically designed heat-resistant handles offer a secure, comfortable grip and have end holes for optional hanging storage. Oven safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and dishwasher safe. The 12-piece T-fal Signature Non-Stick Cookware set includes 7.75-inch and 11-inch fry pans, 1 quart and 2 quart saucepans with lids, a 5.5 quart Dutch oven with lid, a 10.25-inch griddle, and a spoon, ladle, and slotted spatula. Keywords: pot and pan set, cookware sets on sale, cooking pot, cookware sets, oils de cocina, kitchenware, cooking pots, non-toxic cookware, kitchen pots. Top reviews from the United States. Amazing cookware. The pans are great, heating is very even, they surfaces is the best non-stick I've ever used. Great value. I can cook 2 to 3 eggs over easy in these pans with a little butter and flip the egg without a spatula and not break the yolk, no sticking. Buying another set of these pans.